Dear friends, welcome to the channel. Today's session is very important and very interesting because what I'm about to discuss today is about budget. As you're aware, budget is about to come on 1st February, that is on Tuesday. You all know that budget is about to come. And not only that, all of you are also thinking that what will be the effect of budget on Nifty 50. And why I'm doing this research is you can see the objective. The main objective of doing this research is to study the impact of budget in Nifty 50 within 8 years. I have used 8 years data to see what is the impact of budget in Nifty 50. Whether on the day of budget, whether Nifty 50 is increasing or decreasing. And the main purpose of doing this research is to trade in Nifty options. And option is a part of derivative. As all of you are aware, option is a part of derivative. In derivative, normally we buy call or we buy put options. This video is not in relation to selling of call and put. This video is related to buying of call or buying of put. If you are not aware what is call option and put option, normally we buy call when we are thinking that Nifty will increase, or we buy put option when we are thinking that Nifty will decrease. It is a kind of speculation only. This is not gambling. There is a difference between gambling and speculation. In speculation, we are using some kind of variables or a factor. So there are many factors, and one of the most important factor which affects the Nifty 50 is event. Event can be budget. So budget is one of the most important event which will affect Nifty 50. So since this budget is on 1st February, that is on Tuesday, we would like to know whether this budget have increased Nifty 50 or have decreased Nifty 50 within the last 8 years. That is what we are wanting to see. And since I play 1 week contract, when we are buying call option, it starts from Friday and it ends on Thursday. So we have a very limited time frame, that is 1 week. But this budget might be announced on any day between Monday to Sunday. So on 1st February 2022, it is Tuesday. So after Tuesday, we'll get few days till Thursday, because before Thursday, I'll be squaring off my positions. Enough of this discussion, but before moving into the main part, I would like to tell you the tool which I'm using to do the research is a very basic tool which is known as technical analysis. If you are not abreast with the concept of technical analysis, then it is a study of simple charts. There are a few assumptions also which I'll not focus on right now. I'm not using any sophisticated techniques because what I'm thinking is that everybody should be able to understand what I'm trying to explain. If you don't have much time, please do not skip the video. If you don't have time, you can just save it and watch it later on. But once you start watching this video, I request you to watch this video till the end if you really want to understand what I'm trying to explain. And everybody wants to gain something from the stock market. Like derivative is a very powerful tool who can know how to use it, but decision on buying of call or a put should be purely on the basis of research. So that is why whenever we are doing research, we need to have objective, purpose, and a tool which we are using, and there is always a conclusion also. So not wasting much of the time, let us move on to the chart. Yes, but before moving on to the chart, my request is to if you like the video, please do like, and if you are new in this video, your subscription will motivate me to come up with more videos, and please share with your friends also. I hope you're having a very wonderful day. Stay safe, and let's begin with the video. As you can see, this is a chart of Nifty 50, and I've done, this plotting is on the basis of 1 day. So this one candle represents 1 day, and as you can see, I have marked on every year when the budget was announced and what was the impact after the budget within the expiry, that is on Thursday. So this was on 2021, and this research I've started from 2014. So you might be thinking like why I chose the year 2014, because since the event is related to budget, in 2014 a new government, BJP government, was formed. Until now, BJP is still a ruling party, and the budget also will be announced by BJP, party only. That is why the ideology is same, the thinking capacity is same. That is why I've chosen the base year as 2014. You can see this one candle represents 1 day. And I'd like to tell you that if you are not aware what this candle is, green means the price is increasing, the value of Nifty 50 is increasing. Red means the value of Nifty 50 is decreasing. So in 2014, on 17th February, that was on Monday, budget was announced. Once the budget was announced, you can see here Nifty 50 was increasing for continuously 3 days. And on the day of expiry, that is on Thursday, Nifty 50 was falling. So as I've told you, normally I play a contract of 1 week. So what I do is I buy a call option in this time frame, and I would like to square off my position before Thursday, because on Thursday the candle is red. But in order to confirm this, we need to check the other years also, and likewise we can also check the year 2015 also. You can see budget was announced on 28th February, that is on Saturday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can see on Thursday uh, a small doji like candle has formed, so not much movement is there. So in 2014 also, after the budget was announced, continuously for 3 days Nifty 50 was increasing. In 2015 also, after the budget was announced, since this was Saturday and Sunday market is closed, so this is Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Before Thursday, you can see in Wednesday also there's a great fall. So we can hold for at least 2 days, and we can get some kind of reward from the market by buying a call option. Likewise, we can check another year also, that is on 2016. This was the day of budget, which is 29th February, Monday. You can see Monday, on the day of announcement of budget, Nifty 50 had fallen, but after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was an expiry. Green candle was seen here. So after the budget, we can see that Nifty 50 is rallying upward in 2016 also. In 2017 also, it is very clear. On 1st February, Wednesday, budget was announced and Nifty 50 gave a very good momentum whole day, and on Thursday a small doji like candle is formed. So in Thursday, on the last day of expiry, even though during the budget session, Nifty 50 is not giving that much movement. Likewise, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to explain. And one more important point, from 2017, budget is always announced on 1st February. But before 2017, budget used to be announced on any date in February. So let us check the another year, that is 2018. In 2018, budget was announced on 1st February, which was the Thursday, which was the expiry day only. So whatever be the reason, in 2018 on the budget day, Nifty 50 was falling downwards and it felt like anything, like there was a downward trend. So in 2018, Nifty 50 had fallen. Maybe there might be various reasons. Maybe the budget was not investor friendly, or maybe there were other reasons also, which I'll not be focusing right now, because the tool which I'm using is solely on the basis of technical analysis. And let us go to the another year, that is on 2019. Budget was announced on 1st February, which was on Friday. So Saturday, Sunday market was closed. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can see continuously for 3 days. Again, Nifty 50 has given a good rally. And on the day of expiry, Thursday, you can see a dozy like candle is seen. So it's it's better not to hold the position till Thursday. Whatever be the reason, looking into the past data, what it is showing is that Nifty is not giving a very good movement on the day of the expiry. And in 2020, which was the year of pandemic, you all are aware, you can see the fall. But before fall, on Friday, that was on 1st February, budget was announced. And after that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can see continuously a very good rally was given. And on the Thursday expiry, the movement is not much. You can see the candle is like dozy only. And last year, you can see in 2021, 1st February was Monday, and from the budget announcement of budget, you can see a very good rally Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Thursday. Now, I hope it is quite clear to you looking into this chart. If you are not still clear, I have plotted the value point on the Excel sheet also. I have plotted all the variables values in this Excel sheet also. It might look quite confusing, but it is very simple. I prepared for you so that it will be easier for you to understand. Like in 2014, 17 February Monday, budget was announced. From the low of 6038, Nifty had made a high of 6160, which was a positive 122. Likewise in 2015 also, from a low of 8885, it had made a high of 9016, which was a positive of 138. So likewise till 2021, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, you can see it is very clear that 7 times Nifty 50 have given a very positive momentum within 1 week. Only in 2018 Nifty had given a negative return. So the there is high probability that Nifty 50 will give a very positive momentum on the day of budget. And during this BGP era from 2014, out of 8 times, 7 times Nifty 50 have given a very good rally. But 2022, that is on Tuesday, what is the chances that Nifty 50 will increase? Looking into this data, the chances is 88%. So you might be thinking like how I had calculated this. It is very simple. Total, I'll just little bit zoom it so that it will be much more easier for you. Out of 8, out of 8, 7 times Nifty 50 have increased on the budget day. So what I've done is I have just divided 7 by 8. That is 87%. 87%, when I'm converting it into percentage, 88% chance is that on the day of budget Nifty 50 will increase. And what is the chances to fall? So out of it, 1 time it have fallen, so 12, that is approximately 13%. So the 13% chances Nifty will fall, 88% chances that Nifty will increase. Whenever we are trading in stock market, whether it is derivative, whether it is we are buying shares, a company share or equity share, we are trading it on probability. We are working on probability. So the probability out here is very high that Nifty 50 will increase. Maybe on Tuesday, that probability might work for 13% also. Nobody can say 100% that Nifty will increase or decrease. But I'm again telling you, we work in probability. So the probability for the Nifty to increase is 80%. Now, since every research should have a conclusion, the conclusion of this research is that, what is the conclusion? The conclusion of this research is 88% chance is there for the Nifty to increase, and 13%, approximately 13% chance is there for the Nifty to fall or decrease. Now since the probability is high on the increase side, the decision will be to buy or call. Now again, the most important thing which I would like to tell you is that I'm again telling you, nobody can be very sure that whether Nifty will fall or Nifty will increase. Nobody can be 100% sure. But we have worked on a probability. What is the chances? We work on a chances. How we have come to this, 80%, 88% chance. I've already shown you. You can just, go back to the video and just watch it again. Now, once we have decided to buy a call, the other thing is we are, trading on derivative. The most important factor on the derivative which needs to be considered is time factor. Time factor is very much important. So since the budget will be announced on Tuesday, this option will have a life only till Thursday, because Thursday will be expiry. But there is another conclusion also, that is, before Thursday, square of before Thursday. Why? Because what the data is saying is that on the day of expiry, the movement is not very much. Now again, this time it might be different. Nifty might give a very good movement on Thursday also. But looking into the data, the thing is that on the day of expiry, Nifty 50 is not giving that much good movement. So that is why the inferences, the conclusion is to buy a call option and square off before Thursday. That means we have got 2 days, that is Tuesday and Wednesday. And this is the time frame, Tuesday and Wednesday. Within Tuesday and Wednesday, we need to square off of whatever, whether it's a profit or whether it's a loss also. There are other ways of doing analysis also. This is a very simple and raw type of analysis. I haven't used any sophisticated tools and techniques. The more sophisticated tools, the more complicated problems it will arise. My intention is to help explain, even the layman also would like to understand about the trading. But only research is not important. The most important thing is money management. You need to keep aside money, that much money which you are able to lose. So that is why risk management is also very much important. Money management means, let's say you have 1 lakh. How much you are willing to lose? How much money you can lose and still you will be okay? Let's say 10% of 1 lakh, that is 10,000. So what you can do is you can use this 10,000 to buy a call option. You can use this 10,000 to buy a call option, and that decision is backed by this research. And again, the last part which I'm about to show you is, we are coming to the final part of this video. The disclaimer is that I've used only 1 day time frame for Nifty 50, but when you are trading, you need to check 15 minutes chart time frame. You need to use 5 minutes or 3 minutes chart frame also, plus 1 week and 1 month also. I'm just showing you to give you an overview like what has happened on the day of budget. Now if you see, continuously for so many days, like 1 2 3 4 5, continuously for so many days, Nifty 50 have been falling. But before the budget, slowly there's a little bit of consolidation. After a sharp fall, you can see Nifty 50, like for 3 days is moving sideways. So when any price, any value, any chart moves sideways, it is giving a signal that whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to come down. Now since there's a budget and there's high probability that, on the day of budget, like 80% probability is there, that on the day of budget Nifty 50 is going to increase. But still we need to understand few things, few very important things. What is that? That is, we have one day, that is Monday, before budget. This Monday, this is pre-budget day, and this Tuesday is the day of budget. And after Tuesday there will be Wednesday and Thursday. If you see, if you have watched, if you have observed the chart, previous chart, on the day of Thursday Nifty 50 was not giving that much return. So what is important is, the most important thing is we need to observe the movement on Monday, like what kind of movement is giving on Monday, which is known as price action. This becomes very much important. So this the movement of Nifty 50 on Monday is very much important. If Monday it becomes very bullish, and most positions are there on Monday, then there's high probability that they're expecting some good budget. But as you are aware that because of the pandemic, high inflation happening of bonds also, so much so news are there related to macro side, but focusing only on the technical aspect. We need to see, because when we are focusing on technical analysis, we are trying to understand the psychology of the crowd, like how the people are taking a particular event. So Monday's action is very much important, and if Monday is giving some positive, uh, showcasing some positive psychology of the market, more buys are there, then we can buy a call option. But since on Thursday, this is a Thursday, since on Thursday the movement, expire on the day of expiry, the movement is not that much high, so we need to be very cautious. That means if we take a position, we need to square off at least within these 2 days. We have only 2 days, because after expiry, the Nifty might give a very good movement. It can give a good movement, or it can give a down movement. That is, I'm not least bothered about it, because my game is only till Thursday. I'll be buying a option with expiry of Thursday, that is 3rd February. So after that, whatever it happens, it happens. But before that, considering the research, considering the variables, considering the chart, on the day of Thursday, the movement is not that much. So, we need to check price action on Monday, and Tuesday is a budget day. If it gives a good rally, then we can keep for one day, and we can square off on Wednesday. This is my plan. But I would like to give a disclaimer also, that I'm not suggesting anyone to buy a call option or a put option, and I'm not a SEBI registered you know experts also. This is my own personal view. So if you want to take trade, that should be on your sole discretion. This is just for the educational purpose, and I wanted to show that how a research can be done in a very simple way without using any sophisticated tools also. So that is why I'm again telling you, Monday's price action is very much important. I hope you like the video, and you can see much of hard work I have done. If you can you like it. If you share it, share it. If you haven't subscribed it, if you'll subscribe it, that will motivate me. And thank you for watching the video.